Have you ever thought about giving your car a fresh new look? Well, let's talk about car respraying and whether to go professional or DIY. Here's the deal. A professional respray means skilled technicians and advanced equipment, perfect for that flawless finish. But if you're feeling adventurous, a DIY respray lets you express yourself while saving a few bucks. Just remember, it's not just about slapping on paint. There's prepping, priming, and choosing the right type of paint, like urethane for durability or acrylic lacquer for quick application. Now, let's weigh the options. Professionals offer guaranteed results, but at a higher cost, while DIY can be satisfying yet risky. So, what's your priority? A polished look or a personal project? Share your experiences. Did you go pro or DIY? Drop a comment and let's swap tips. And if you're leaning towards professional help, why not request some quotes today? It's the first step to giving your ride the makeover it deserves.